Hey, what's up guys? How you doing today? And if you ask me, does gear matter? I would say yes. Or maybe no. Of course, it also depends on what you need it for. I'm fine to make video calls with my smartphone. When I want to produce content on YouTube, I try to get the best quality out of my gear. But many other content creators have proven that it can also work very easily with smartphone. That's when I came across the Andycine Universal Vlogger Kit. And I have to say that for 79 euros you already have a small mini studio with it. So first of all, there is a mini tripod which is roughly the size of the Manfrotto Mini Pix. The quality is made of plastic but looks quite robust. So to attach a camera we have a 1/4 screw and you can use it to film handheld and on the table in 2 heights. With the ball head, which is also included, you can record horizontally or vertically and even put them in all positions. Then we have a phone clip that is also of quite good quality, attached to the ball head with the 1/4 screw. Above is a cold shoe mount where you can use other accessories such as a microphone that is also included. In addition, you get also a windshield or dead cat as we say, and 2 cables supplied on TRS and TRRS. So come on, let's listen to the microphone. My iPhone 12 Pro Max already has very good microphones, but it is windy outside, you probably wouldn't understand me. So this is a microphone test from Andycine. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and this is an audio test and a microphone test without the Andycine. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have also a micro RGB LED light. Of course, the light here in the studio cannot be compared with this one, but sometimes a little light can be very helpful. And when I see here again, where I still use an old Joby arm, I can adjust the light in different positions. The light can even be set in a color temperature between 2500 up to 9000 Kelvin. Then I can choose different RGB colors and finally go to the disco, 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 disco. So you also have 20 effects. My disco effect is actually fireworks, TV screen, police, paparazzi, thunderstorms, candlelight, etc. It's really amazing. I mean, in this small package you have a lot of things. So even if you no longer want to vlog with a mini tripod, you always need a microphone. And I will probably take the RGB light later and do a few color effects here in the studio. I think this kit is awesome. I mean, it is inexpensive. You can use the tripod, you can use the RGB light, you even can take the microphone and switch it maybe from A to B camera, or you just use the microphone on any other camera. I really can't anything bad about this kit. If you like this video, I highly appreciate, as always, smash the like button, ring the notification bell, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.